Welcome to HighPerformanceHVAC.com. .com's review of the ColorTouch Assistant software for the ColorTouch Thermostat by Venstar. The basic application, you can download it from Venstar.com to your desktop. This is Windows 7. I had no problems installing it. Installed pretty easily and opened it up. It did real good. Getting right into it, we'll go to New Thermostat Configuration. The basic interface when you open up New Thermostat Configuration, you can open an existing one that you already made, or you can import a thermostat configuration from your thermostat with an SD card. You can also, once you make this, you can save it to an SD card and save it to your thermostat. Okay, New Thermostat Configuration. First thing we see is the interface here. The basic thermostat and different skins that you can purchase for it. You can name your thermostat. You can name it upstairs, downstairs, whatever you want to name it. 123 Main Street. The only thing you have to watch out for here is the number of characters you can type in. It's limited, so you can use abbreviation as necessary. Now we go to the picture gallery, and we can load photos in here. I'll show you the photos that I selected for this. Pictures of family, pictures of pets, however you want. It's easy to load the pictures in there. Click Add, select the photo, and it'll load right in there. You can select the photos of yourself, of whoever, and there's really no requirements for picture size or anything. These pictures are directly from the camera, so they're like 5 megabytes or whatever. There are a few tools that you can use down here. You can zoom, you can rotate, you can increase color, red, green, and blue. You can increase the brightness of the lighting, and you can move it around. These are just basic tools. Also up here you have a home screen button, so if you want this particular photo to be your home screen, then that's what it'll look like. It'll give you a demonstration of how that'll look like, and that setting will remain when you transfer it to the thermostat. Okay, we click apply and we go on to dealer information. The dealer can type their information in here. You got the company name, contact name, whoever you need to contact about your system, their phone number, email address, and the website. Of course, we're putting in highperformancehvac.com because we're doing this review. You can also add a logo to it. It's real simple to add a logo to the thermostat for the dealer, so the dealer can have his digital logo added to this section right here very easily. Now we'll get into schedules. The schedule, it's very easy to change the schedules, or you can turn the schedule off, turn the schedule on, however you want to do it. We're going to edit the schedule, show you how easy it is. You can select a day, or you can select all the days manually, or you can select all, or you can select weekdays only, and you can select weekends. That makes it a 5 and 2 thermostat, programmable thermostat, or 7-day programmable thermostat. Very handy. So we're gonna change. We're gonna select all, and we're gonna edit the selected days, which it's a 7-day program now. So you click on that morning box, and you set your times, you set your temperatures, and you click apply. It's that easy. It's very simple to change this thermostat. You got your features: heat, cool, auto, and click apply, and the thermostat will respond according to the settings that you make here for the program. So you can save a lot of money on your energy bill by using this programmable thermostat. Next, we'll go on to thermostat settings. You have preferences here. If you want to have a cooling set point or a heating set point, and the different modes for those set points. You can set them all up here. If you don't want a programmable thermostat, display. This is for brightness and night dimming. You can turn the night dimmer on and off as you desire, and you can set times to turn it on and off. Screensaver. You can enable the screensaver. You can have a digital clock here. You can have an analog clock. You can also have a slideshow, and there's different themes for slideshows. And you got different settings for your screensaver, which they're all pretty self-explanatory. You got various themes that you can go through here: deserts, holiday themes, just various themes, cats and dogs, and the sea or the ocean settings. And you got different indicators over here. If you want to know what something is for, just mouse over it and you'll see a little yellow box pop up with a description of what that's for, a basic description. You can also use your owner's manual and installation instructions to figure out what is what and what happens when you change that setting. This is for sound. It'll make a beep whenever you touch the thermostat setting. And now we'll move on to alerts. Alerts will alert you and tell you when to change your filter, when to change your UV bulb, if you have a UV, and maintenance reminders. Very, very handy. Your clock, you can go to digital, AM, PM, enter daylight savings time, and vacation mode. You can set your vacation mode for whatever date you're taking your vacation, and it'll automatically kick on. It'll do what you tell it to do during your vacation. You got security settings. You can set a PIN code or passcode in here. This makes it ideal for commercial settings where public generally has access to the thermostat, and you don't want people making setting changes. You can set a passcode and lock them out so they can't make changes, and it'll maintain the temperature you want it to maintain. This is basic settings here, and some of these settings you want your HVAC contractor to make. And again, whenever you need help, you have these little yellow pop-up boxes that tell you exactly what these are for. Some of the features, going through it real fast, this thermostat will do staging. For heat pump setting, there is a dip switch setting inside the thermostat. When you take it apart from the subbase, you'll have a setting there, and follow the instructions in the installation manual to change that dip switch setting. You have deadband settings for staging and cycles per hour. You also have a compressor minimum off time, free cooling. This makes this thermostat stand out from others, and free cooling is hopefully coming to residential, and then this is a sign of it right here when the thermostat manufacturers offer this this feature on the thermostats. So you can make the mechanical cooling shut off and have a damper open and bring in the cool outside air into your warm house and cool it down. Heat pump settings, enable heat pump lockout. This will require a thermistor, which is available from Venstar, or you can order one from Amazon.com. I've seen them at various places on the web. It's a 10K thermistor, and it requires you to run a wire to the thermostat to this 10K thermistor, which is located outside in the shade, away from the sun, away from any water or anything else. You have this dual fuel setting, which you want your in smart fan settings, which your contractor can set those up for you. You have firmware, which will automatically update the firmware in the thermostat, which is a very good feature, so you keep everything up to date. Then you can save everything all the changes you just made, including adding the photos. Save the file. You save it, and after you save it, you keep the copy on your computer. Then you can save it to the SD card, which I don't have an SD card in here now. Save it to an SD card. Plug that SD card right into the side of the thermostat in the slot. There's a slot on the right side of the thermostat. Plug it in there. Follow your prompts from your menu. You navigate to settings and then go to SD card. Follow all the prompts, and you'll update the firmware if it has an update, and you'll also add the settings that you made on your changes. So we hope you enjoyed this little review of the ColorTouch Assistant Thermostat. For more information, you can go to highperformancehvac.com on the web and look up the Venstar ColorTouch Thermostat article that we've written. And we're also going to do a review in our new 2011-2012 review site. A lot of exciting changes coming to highperformancehvac.com. Stay up to date and stay in the know for High Performance HVAC. Highperformancehvac.com. Have a good day.